Hi again, so this is the first video of 3 for atomic structure, and on this we'll be focusing on fundamental particles and protons, neutrons and electrons. Okay, so the first bit we're looking at relative charge and relative mass. The relative charge of a proton is dead easy because you just remember proton is P, so it's positive. And neutron's dead easy because you remember N for neutron, so that's neutral. And obviously the electron is the opposite of the proton, so it's -1. Relative mass now. Both the proton and the neutron have a relative mass unit of 1, and then the electron's a bit funny because it's known as indifferent by whatever source you look at. So some say 1/1836, but 1/2000's good enough, or just negligible 0. And the exam board actually accept both of those, so that's good. You've also got to remember that the protons and the neutrons are in the nucleus, and that they're collectively known as nucleons. Okay, so that's all you need to know for that bit. Okay, so now we're moving on to gases being inert, and meaning they're stable, and for this the Bohr model can help us. And basically this explains why gases are inert. So they're stable and unreactive. So Bohr basically said that gases can only hold fixed amount of electrons. And we learn about all the electrons and the different subshells later on in the third video for atomic structure. And then he also said that atoms with a full outer electron shell do not react. And obviously all gases have a full outer electron shell, like argon, so therefore they don't react. And this is all to do with the electrons. They don't need to gain or lose any electrons. And that's all basically you need to know for now, for that bit. But I mean, later you'll understand it more when we come to the electron arrangement and everything like that. Okay, so now's models illustrating atomic structure, which is the next part of the syllabus. So we look at, for example, J.J. Thomson, who in 1897 created the plum pudding model, which I'm sure you'll all be aware of through GCSE. Just the round pudding with the negative electrons in the middle, which obviously were the raisins. So, and then obviously if they're on the inside, then it was the positive plum outside. And as far as questions come on this part, you don't tend to be asked many questions on it, and if you are, you're often giving the information in the text and you just need to pick it out. But mainly you must remember the current model that we use, which is the protons and the neutrons in the middle with the electron shells surrounding. And obviously we'll go into more detail about the subshells and everything because it changes a bit at A level. But excuse my drawing. But yeah, that's it for this video. quite easy stuff there. Nice starting for the specification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Again, please do leave a comment. Thanks again. Bye.